Hey, my name is Sandra and I'm with Two-Way Direct. Today I have the new Hytera HP782 radio. In this box, it comes with the radio, the battery, the belt clip, the antenna, the wrist strap, the charger, and the power cord. So let's build this. First, you actually want to take the battery and the belt clip. It's easier to insert this before it's on the radio. You can pull on this tab and push down until it clicks into place. Next, with the battery and the radio, you want to line up the grooves that are on the battery to the radio, slide them in, and push at the bottom until it clicks. Typically at this point, the radio will turn on as soon as you put in the battery. This is a stubby antenna. With this one, you'll want to push it down just slightly while you're twisting clockwise. If you choose to use the wrist strap, there are two places on the back of the radio where you can install this. First, insert the smaller part of the lanyard through the holes. Then you want the bigger part of the lanyard to go through this loop, and you can pull tight. The charger has the port in the back for the power cord, and it's very important to remember to always power down your radio before you put this in the charger. So to power this radio down, on this side you'll see the push-to-talk and a couple of the option buttons here. On this side you put the accessory cords, and in the front you'll see the power button here. So we'll hold that down until it powers down. Then you can gently slide your radio into the charger and you're good to go. To check out this radio and the Hytera HP radios, visit our website at twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.